Welcome to another Presello mini house tour, and I'm super excited for this one because this is a brand new house and lot here in Antipolo. So you have a 3-vehicle carport over there that will lead to your main entrance. And yes, you are hearing waterfalls. You also have a koi pond. But here's the thing, exclusive content because I missed this in the full house tour. But you have a steel parang tapakan dito, and when you step on it, it's actually a sink. So this was born out of the idea that you may want to wash your hands first before actually going into your house. So I love that. Okay, so once you enter, you actually have lots of open space with a view. But before I show you that, so right next to your main entrance, you have your main stairs. And then this is actually a foyer. It's an elevated foyer. Let's go shoes go in advance. And then you have a few steps down that lead to your dining as well as your kitchen. And this is the view that I was talking about. So you have a few steps down towards your living area, but basically all of these spaces have a view of the surrounding residential area. And this is Antipolo. You have the rolling hills, you have the mountainside views. It is beautiful. And you can also see here that you have a dipping pool, which is also an infinity pool, with the same view. And this is one of the things that I really like about this kitchen. If you were to entertain family and friends, you have lots of open space, right? And you also have lots of areas to actually entertain people, and then you have a bar to serve the drinks. And obviously lots of storage for everything that you might need to store. So kompleto na siya, very well thought out. You have a door over here that leads to the side of the house, as well as one bedroom here on the main floor, and then a guest accessible toilet and bath. But if you want to see that, you have to check out the full house tour because this is a beautiful home. That being said, I will show you one of the bedrooms on the second floor. Okay, so here on the second floor, you have 3 more bedrooms for a total of 4 bedrooms for the entire house. But this is the master bedroom. So you have double doors, you have generous space, you have a matte gray wall for your entertainment, beautifully contrasted with this beautiful wood paneling up here. And then on this side, you have a herringbone wood accent wall, and I absolutely love it. Then you have access to a balcony. And you might be wondering, where is the ensuite toilet and bath? Because there has to be, right? Well, wood panels, right? One of the panels lead to the ensuite toilet and bath. And yes, there are 2 access points, so his and hers, or either side of the bed. You also have his and her sinks right here, very symmetric. On this end, you have a wardrobe area. You also have that on that end. And then in the middle, you have the wet zone. So you have your toilet, your shower area, yung shower head, as well as the telephone shower head. And then you have your bathtub over here, and you have, again, that view of Antipolo. And you don't need to worry because the plants, as well as the geometric metal patterns, as well as the reflection of the mirrors, are going to prevent people from actually seeing you from the outside. So this is quite the view. Now, if you want to see the full house tour, make sure you head on over to our YouTube. And if you like this one, make sure you give us a like and a follow, and I'll see you in the next one.